do if you're trying to use your camera in VIPKid or Respondus lockdown browser or any program that needs your camera and it's just not acting right. Either it won't recognize the camera at all, or you find the camera and you just get a black screen. One of the things you want to do is just make sure there's nothing else running on your computer that isn't competing for the camera. And I had it happen to me earlier. I was trying to pull up something on video in OBS and it kept showing a black screen for my video, and then I realized I was running Camtasia with the camera on. And Camtasia is kind of a screen capture software. I turned Camtasia off and then it worked fine. So normally you could tell on your taskbar what's running, but there might be something running in the background that you don't even see. So what you can do is right click on your taskbar and hit Task Manager, and then just scroll through here and remove anything that might compete with your camera. One that I see often is Skype. You just right click and end task, and here's like Camtasia. I'm using it now to record, but I won't get rid of it. But I would right click, hit end task, and anything else that you don't need running, even if it's not affecting the camera, you might want to get rid of it just to speed your computer up a little bit. Notice I have a lot of Adobe stuff, and I'm not sure if it'll let me get rid of that. Oh yeah, let me get rid of some of those. So yeah, if you don't need it for what you're working on, just go ahead and end task. And another thing you might want to do, just decide if you want those programs to run at all. Do you want them to happen on startup? You can go here to the startup tab. Now here's Cortana. Let me right click. So the option is enable. So this is already disabled, which is what I want. Teams, I disabled that earlier. So now when I right click, it only asks for enable. But before I did right click and I did disable. Same with Skype, I've already disabled it. And same with Spotify, I really don't even need that on the computer. I right clicked and I hit disable. Right now enable is the only choice showing up. But if they are starting up when your computer starts up and you don't want them to, then again just right click and hit disable. And that will save some of your CPU power there.